What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. This is the first time using it. I never really considered using beard balm. I'm not sure why. I just never felt like I needed it at certain points. But as I got into this, I started realizing the benefits actually using beard balm. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe in the section down below. Hit that subscribe button. Also, give a big thumbs up on this video. If you guys are returning, make sure to leave a comment in the section down below. And let's begin. So this is the beard balm which I do have in the catalog for the men's section. So if you're looking for anything regarding like men's care, men's grooming, anything to do with your beard, definitely check out the product line. And I do feature some other ones that I actually featured on this channel. So regarding like the conditioning oil, the beard wash, the detangler, you guys check out all those things on this channel too. So first and foremost, we're talking about the beard balm. This is by Shea Moisturizer. So this beard balm is something that I personally started using. I never used beard balm before, but as I got into this, I started realizing the benefits actually using beard balm and the health benefits and also the shape. So I personally never used beard balm, and this is actually the first time I'm actually going to be using it on camera for you guys. And I just never really considered it. I just never thought I would be using it, and I didn't really understand what it was. So for people that don't know what beard balm is, so beard balm actually will help you with shaping your beard. If sometimes some people want to have it a certain shape or a certain look. So we're gonna be styling this beard with this beard balm and just see how it goes. And as I open up the container, I have used it before, so it looks a little crazy in there. But once you put your fingers into it a little bit, you can really start digging up a good chunk, which you'll need for your beard. And every beard length is completely different. So depending on your beard, you kind of just have to monitor and decide how much you want to go for. So I'll probably add about that much onto my beard, just so I have enough all around. And yeah, that would pretty much be my principle of that. So the texture of this is quite thick. It sits well in the hand, and I'm gonna see how it styles on my beard. So when I do smell it, it has a nice wax smell to it. If you're looking for something with a scent, you can always infuse your own scent into it, but this is kind of like a neutral base. So what I'm gonna do is just put it on my hand like I did so, just rub it down. The reason I do that for my personal self is because I just don't want it to be on the outside. I kind of want it to be within my beard hair, so it kind of has that posture, has that texture, and has that look I want to go for. So for overall, me just applying this into my beard, it does sit well on the beard as a whole. I don't feel like I'm in discomfort. I do like the product as it is. What I'm going to do now, since it's in my beard, I'm going to pick it out and kind of just style it with my hand. That's essentially what I usually do when it comes down to beard balms. So I'm gonna pick it out. So I just gave it some volume and some shape, and I'm just gonna basically kind of style it with my own hand. I kind of have my own preference of where I want it to go. Sometimes I would like it to be a little more narrow. Sometimes on the side, I kind of want it to be a little higher. So you kind of give it your own shape with your hand over time. So everyone is completely different when it does come down to your beard. But based on this product, you can actually pick this product up at Walmart, and I do recommend this. That's why I mentioned that to you guys. So you can actually pick this up for about $11.50. Online, it could be a little different based on where you guys live. Really happy with this product. I'm really pleased with it. SheaMoisture did a good job with this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So make sure you leave a comment in the section down below. Let me know if you used this product before. Let me know if you ever tried any of the products on your line. So yet again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. My name is Mr. Lou. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.